This is the exciting part. Collecting Avios is great, but spending them is even better. Sit back, there's something rewarding for everyone. When flying with any of our partner airlines, you can use Avios to reduce the ticket price of your next trip. Or book a reward flight by using Avios as your main payment method, like a return trip to Paris, a trip across the pond, or a short-haul trip to the supermarket to lower your bill when you convert Avios into Nectar. Fly in style with the cabin upgrade you've always dreamt of. Use Avios to book a holiday or package with British Airways Holidays, reduce the cost of over 300,000 hotels, and save on car hire with Avios. Kit out your travel essentials through Avios Shop, like that fancy suitcase you've always wanted. You can even relax at home with a glass of your favourite tipple delivered to your door. Dine out by choosing a voucher for an iconic favourite at Pizza Express restaurants, or book a Le Shuttle trip to France for Le Less. However you choose to enjoy your Avios, it all feels like a bonus for your everyday spending. Enjoy the many rewarding ways to collect and spend Avios now.